How to optimize your smartphone for better performance. Optimizing your smartphone for better performance can make a significant difference in how smoothly it operates. Here are some effective strategies to help you get the most out of your device. Update software regularly. Operating system, make sure your phone's OS is up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Apps, update your apps to benefit from the latest features and optimizations. Manage storage. Clear cache, regularly clear cache data from apps in the browser to free up space. Uninstall unnecessary apps, remove apps you don't use to free up storage and reduce background processes. Move files, transfer photos, videos, and other large files to cloud storage or an external SD card. Optimize battery usage. Battery settings, enable battery saving modes and check which apps are consuming the most power. Background apps, limit background activity for apps that don't need to update constantly. Restart your phone. Regular restarts, rebooting your phone can clear out temporary files and processes that might be slowing it down. Regular maintenance. Storage management, regularly check and manage your storage. App management, keep an eye on app performance and permissions.